Hello students, in today's production process lecture we will see unit 4 processing of plastic. In that we see types of plastics and its classification. Okay, so what are plastics? What plastics are made of that is any synthetic or semi synthetic polymers, that is nothing but a plastic. Okay, and plastic used for industrial work come from petrochemicals, and it refers to be the to its ability to deform without breaking. So polymers used in making a plastic are usually a combination of additives, colorants, plasticizers, stabilizers, fillers, and reinforcements. Okay, and these additives affects the chemical compositions, properties, and mechanical properties of plastic and affect its cost. Okay, so plastic means any kind of synthetic material which comes from crude oil, and natural plastic is that is plants and insects material. Okay, from these two factors plastics are made up of. Okay, so natural plastics can be tree resins, cottons, latex. Okay, and synthetic plastics that is made by breaking down carbon based material such as coal and crude oil. Okay, this is nothing but synthetic plastic. So groups of plastic are, there are two types of plastic. There are two types of plastic which are classified into two types. The first one is thermoplastic, and second one is thermosetting plastic. Okay, thermoplastic means it may also called as thermoplastic and thermosetting. In thermoplastic, that is less rigid, it is less rigid than thermosets. Okay, जो थर्मोसेटिंग है उससे ये लेस रिजिड होता है एंड can be reform and reshape. Okay, this thermoplastic can be reform and reshape, and thermoplastic can often means can soften up to heating and return to their original form, means they are easily molded and extruded into films, fibers, and packaging. Okay, so example include polyethylene, polypropylene. Okay, and polyvinyl. Okay, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and thermoplastic. Thermosets or thermosetting plastic, in short we will see difference between it. Thermosetting. Okay, that is polyurethane plastic, means belongs to the group that can be thermosetting, and polyurethane is the only plastic which can be made in both rigid and flexible forms. So flexible polyurethane foam is used in mattresses, carpets, furniture. Okay, and rigid polyurethane foam is used in chair, shelves, mirror frames जो होते हैं आपके, and many more. Okay, so due to the property of high elasticity, some polyurethane plastic are used in decorative and protective coating. So the high elasticity makes this polyurethane plastics resistant to a chemical attack. Okay, So that is heaten and soften. After soften, that is shape, means shape is given, shaping is done, and then it is cooled. Okay, thermosetting can be form or shape only once. Okay, so in PVC, that is, these are the types of thermoplastic. That is, first one is acrylic. You can see the example of acrylic, glass acrylic and all. Second one is nylon. Here you can see example of nylon clothes and all. Then PVC, polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, that is, it is commonly referred to as PVC or vinyl, was first, which is invented in Germany, and it didn't become a useful product, means in US. So it became particularly useful during World War II, when it was used as a substitute for rubber, which was in short supply. So this PVC is resistant to abrasion and is both weather the chemical resistance. So today it is commonly found in uh, wall covering, flooring, siding, pipe, and in fact, means vinyl is perhaps the best known of all plastics. This is PVC, which is used, and it which is the best known of all plastics. Okay, and it is used in flooring, uh, also in pipes and wall covering. Okay, then polyethylene. This polyethylene is one of the most recycled plastic. It finds usage in various bottles, bottles like water bottles, soda, and cooking oil. Okay, this polystyrene, that is PS, is used in your cups, plastic tablewares, this all, that is spoons, that is plastic tablewares, and most commonly used in cups. Okay, then thermosetting types हम देखेंगे. That is, first one is glass fiber, second one is urea formaldehyde, third one is phenolic, fourth one is melamine. So the different types of plastic can look similar for some product. It is difficult to identify the different types of plastic by their observations. So we have to need to test them. Okay. And one more, that is characteristics of plastic, that is its chemical properties, thermal properties, mechanical properties, electric properties, and physical properties. Okay, we have to check its characteristics. In mechanical properties, that is mechanical properties refers to displacement or breakage of plastic due to some mechanical change, such as applying some load. So mechanical properties are depend on temperature, force, that is load, and the duration of time the load is applied. So it may be affected by ultraviolet radiations when used outsides. Okay, And thermal properties, these properties are include heat resistance. Okay, means thermoplastic has a large coefficient of thermal expansion or what combustibility, means and in it smaller thermal conductivity. Okay, or you may call it as specific heat than other materials such as material. So this is needed to check in thermal property. Third one is chemical property in it. Chemical resistance, environmental stress crack resistance, or resistance to environmental change, these are referred in this. Okay, next one is your electric property. In this, electric properties also referred to as electromagnetic properties, that is electric properties includes insulation, conductivity, and electrostatic charges. Okay, so due to their good insulation property, plastics are often used in electric fields. So however, plastic do not have any defect, they are easily electrified. So physical properties of it, that is specific gravity, is index of refraction and moisture absorption, they are called as physical properties. Okay, so the specific gravity of the plastic is small and it varies depending on the character of high polymer or thermal and mechanical treatment of the plastic. Okay, so this includes your physical properties. So material for processing of plastic, so means most plastic resins have to be combined, compounded, or otherwise chemically treated with processing materials before they are ready for processing. So one of the following additions to that are usually employed, that is plasticizer, fillers, catalyst, initiators, and pigments. Okay, so these are the types of plastics, what is mean by plastic and its types, and two types of plastics, elastomers, sorry, thermosetting and thermoplastic, and we have seen it different types of that thermosetting and thermoplast plastics. Okay, so in next lecture we will see polymers and additives. Thank you.